Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic close to every parent's heart, making weaning a happy, healthy experience. Those first bites of real food are a major milestone. We all want our babies to develop a healthy relationship with food, understanding their cues in a positive, pressure-free environment. We're sharing 15 essential tips to make weaning smoother and more enjoyable for both you and your baby. From introducing first flavors to navigating picky eating, let's dive in. Remember those tiny taste buds? They're just getting used to the big, wide world of flavors. Start with simple, single-ingredient purees like avocado, sweet potato, or gentle rice cereal. Introducing one new food at a time helps your baby experience each flavor and pinpoint any potential sensitivities. Once your baby has mastered a few single-ingredient foods, it's time to expand their culinary horizons. Create a rainbow of flavors on their plate. Introduce a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins. This keeps taste buds engaged and ensures they receive a wide range of nutrients. Babies thrive on routine. Offering meals and snacks at the same time daily helps them regulate hunger cues. Knowing when to expect meals makes the experience more enjoyable and less stressful. Make mealtime fun. Who says mealtime has to be serious? Make mealtime a sensory delight. Use brightly colored bowls and utensils. Singing or playing gentle music can make it a bonding experience. Model good eating habits. Babies are masters of imitation. They watch our every move, especially with food. Eat together as a family. Let your baby see you enjoying healthy meals. Show that food is a joyful part of life. Encourage self-feeding. Around 6 months, babies are ready to explore self-feeding with their fingers. Offer soft finger foods like steamed veggies, small pieces of fruit, or well-cooked pasta. This encourages independence and helps develop fine motor skills. Avoid pressuring your baby. Mealtime should never be a battle. Respect your baby's cues of fullness like turning away or pushing food. Forcing them can create a negative association with food. Be patient with new foods. Introducing new foods takes time and patience. It may take multiple exposures before your baby warms up to a new taste. Don't be discouraged if they don't take to it immediately. Keep offering it in small amounts with foods they enjoy. Introduce new foods in the morning. Mornings are when babies are most adventurous and receptive to new experiences. Offer new foods during breakfast or lunch, when their energy and curiosity peak. Babies communicate well, even before they can speak. Watch for their hunger and fullness cues. An open mouth, leaning forward, and eager reaching indicate hunger, while turning away, closing their mouth, or pushing food away show fullness. Minimize distractions during mealtime to help your baby focus on enjoying their food. Turn off the TV, put away toys, and create a calm space for them to savor each bite. This helps them connect with their natural hunger and fullness cues. Babies need refueling throughout the day. Offer nutritious, easy-to-eat snacks. Think soft fruits, cheese, or full-fat yogurt. These snacks provide energy and prevent hunger. As your baby grows, give them more control over their culinary adventures. Offer simple choices between two healthy options, like broccoli or sweet potato. This gives them autonomy and makes them more excited about mealtime. Remember, mealtime is a learning process. Celebrate small victories and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Your positive attitude will help your little one view eating as a joyful experience. If you have concerns about your baby's eating habits or nutritional intake, consult your pediatrician. They can provide advice, assess growth and development, and address specific concerns. Remember, every baby is different and develops at their own pace. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips make your weaning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Introducing solids is gradual, so be patient and celebrate every milestone. Like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips and advice. Cherish these moments. They grow up so fast.